Now students, we see some questions and answers on first part of the lesson. Question: why are great scientific minds restless? Answer: great scientific minds are restless because they keep asking questions like, why does this happen? Can I make it better? Or what more can this do? Second question: was Raman interested in arts? No, Raman was not interested in arts. He was interested in optical science and acoustics since childhood. Next question: what does one have to do to prove a theory scientifically? One has to conduct experiments to prove a theory scientifically. Now students, we see the second part of the lesson on page number 57. When the ship anchored at Calcutta, the young man immediately went on to conduct experiments to prove his theory. His research in optics, the science of light, resulted in the discovery of the Raman effect. He announced it to the scientific world in March 1928. The discovery won him the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. It was the first time this prize was awarded to an Asian. The day he discovered the Raman effect, 28th February, was later declared as National Science Day. Even before this, his contribution to the science of optics had been acknowledged, and he was elected Fellow of the Royal Society in 1924. जहाजाने कलकत्त्यापाशी नांगर टाकला आणि आपला सिद्धांत सिद्ध करण्यासाठी प्रयोग करण्याच्या दृष्टीने तो तरुण माणूस ताबडतोब निघून गेला. दृकशास्त्रातील त्यांच्या संशोधनाचा परिणाम म्हणून रमन परिणामाचा शोध लागला. मार्च 1928 मध्ये त्यांनी वैज्ञानिक जगतात त्याची घोषणा केली. या शोधाने त्यांना 1930 मध्ये पदार्थ विज्ञानाचे नोबेल पारितोषिक मिळवून दिले. कोणत्याही आशियाई व्यक्तीला हे पारितोषिक प्रदान करण्याची ही पहिली वेळ होती. त्यांनी रामन परिणाम शोधून काढला तो 28 फेब्रुवारी रोजी. पुढे हा दिवस राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिन म्हणून घोषित केला गेला. याआधीच दृकशास्त्रातील त्यांच्या योगदानाला मान्यता मिळाली होती आणि 1924 मध्ये त्यांची रॉयल सोसायटीचे सभासद म्हणून निवड झाली होती. Now see next paragraph. You would have learnt about the Raman effect in detail at school. But do you know the discovery subsequently helped in determining the international structures of some 2000 chemical compounds? And can you guess what the cost of the equipment that Raman used to prove his theory was? A measly 200 rupees. Raman strongly felt that scientists should not be confined to laboratories to solve scientific problems. They should search around themselves and find those answers in accordance with nature. For the essence of science lies in independent thinking and hard work, and not in equipment. How true! Though the oceans and the sky have always been blue in color, it needed a questioning mind with a scientific outlook to find the reason behind it. मुलांनो, रामन परिणामाबाबत शाळेत तपशीलवार शिकला असाल, पण तुम्हाला हे माहीत आहे का की या शोधाने नंतरच्या काळात सुमारे 2000 रासायनिक संयुगांची आंतरिक संरचना निश्चित करण्यात सहाय्य केले आणि आपला सिद्धांत सिद्ध करण्यासाठी रामन यांनी वापरलेल्या साधनसामुग्रीची किंमत किती होती हे तुम्हाला ठाऊक आहे का? क्षुल्लक 200 रुपये. रामन यांचे हे ठाम मत होते की वैज्ञानिक समस्या सोडवण्यासाठी शास्त्रज्ञ प्रयोगशाळांमध्येच कोंडलेले असू नयेत. त्यांनी स्वतःच्या परिसरात शोध घ्यावा आणि निसर्गाला अनुसरून उत्तरे शोधावीत. कारण विज्ञानाचे सार सर्वस्व स्वतंत्र विचारात आणि कष्टात असते, साधन सामुग्रीत नव्हे. किती खरे आहे हे! समुद्र आणि आकाश हे रंगाने जरी कायम निळेच होते तरी त्यामागचे कारण शोधण्यासाठी वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोन असलेल्या जिज्ञासू मनाची गरज होती. स्टुडंट्स, we see some questions and answers on second part of the lesson. Question: What won Raman the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930? Raman won the Nobel Prize in 1930 for his discovery of the Raman effect. Why was 28th February declared as National Science Day? 28th February was declared as National Science Day because C.V. Raman discovered the Raman effect on that particular day. According to Raman, what are the qualities of a good scientist? According to Raman, the qualities of a good scientist are that he or she should have a questioning mind, should believe in independent thinking and hard work. He or she should be able to look around themselves and try to find the answers in accordance with nature. Now we prepare a life sketch of Dr. C.V. Raman based on this lesson. Dr. C.V. Raman, a life sketch. Dr. C.V. Raman was born in Tiruchirappalli in the year 1888. He was a bright student right from the start. He was fascinated by colorful things. He was interested in optical science and acoustics. He delivered a lecture in London. He began to wonder about the color of the sky. He was elected Fellow of the Royal Society in 1924 for his contribution to the science of optics. He announced the Raman effect in 1928. He won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. Students, now we see language study. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete idea. A sentence has two components, subject and predicate. The subject of a sentence is the part which names the person, thing, etc. that we speak about in that sentence. The remaining part of the sentence tells us more about the subject. This remaining part is called predicate. We note the subject and predicate in each of the following sentences. And also note that the verb form in each sentence depends on the subject. मुलांनो, पूर्ण अर्थ व्यक्त करणाऱ्या शब्दांच्या समूहास वाक्य असे म्हणतात. वाक्यात सब्जेक्ट म्हणजे कर्ता आणि प्रेडिकेट म्हणजे विधेय असे दोन भाग असतात. ज्या भागात वाक्यातील व्यक्ती, वस्तू इत्यादींचा समावेश असतो त्या वाक्याच्या भागाला सब्जेक्ट म्हणतात. वाक्याचा उरलेला भाग आपल्याला कर्त्याविषयी अधिक माहिती देतो. त्या वाक्याच्या भागाला प्रेडिकेट असे म्हणतात. वाक्यातील सब्जेक्ट व प्रेडिकेट आपण लक्षात घेऊया. तसेच वाक्यातील व्हर्बचे रूप हे कर्त्यावर अवलंबून असते हे सुद्धा आपण चांगले लक्षात घेऊया. सब्जेक्ट द स्काय is blue. Predicate great scientific minds. Subject are restless with question. Predicate she subject goes to school every day. Predicate they subject go home in the evening. Predicate. Now we see another examples of subject and predicate. She will study for an hour. She subject will study for an hour. Predicate the clock has stopped working. The clock subject has stopped working. Predicate the boy fell off the cliff. The boy subject fell off the cliff. Predicate Rima is a very sweet and beautiful girl. Rima subject is a very sweet and beautiful girl. Predicate good things happen to the people who come here. Good things subject happen to the people who come there. Predicate